Hey guys, what's up? This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2016 Pete 389 flat top. It's a glider kit with a single turbo 6NZ cat, 550 horsepower, 13 speed, 7:30 on the clock with about 75,000 miles on the overhaul. Super slick truck. Gonna do a full walk around. I've gotten it hot. Stick around, wait for the inside. I think you're gonna really like it. Super clean under the hood. Excellent steers. Love the color combination, that red and kind of an off-white or cream. Gives it kind of an old school look. Relatively no blow-by. Love this whole setup, the stacks, the paint scheme. Got a really neat look. Body's really good. You've got some rock pecks up in the front fender there. Not a real big deal on a 730,000 mile truck. This one was tastefully done all the way around, I'd say. Got a few extra lights there, and then what I really like about it, you got the hidden lights there. They don't know you coming. Frame rails relatively in good shape all the way around. As you get towards the back, you've got a little bit more rust on there, mainly around the fifth wheel plate, which is pretty common, especially as the truck gets some age to it. Fifth wheel plate's the first one to show some signs of it. Then your rear end housing there. I do love about this truck, you got disc brakes all the way around it. You're not going to get that on a whole lot of glider kits. Just a expensive upgrade that not a whole lot of people sprung for. You can tell just by the looks of this one, the owner that built this one didn't really spare a whole lot. Nice headache rack on it as well. All right, guys, you ready for it? This interior's pretty sweet. Seats are in excellent shape. Nice and clean in the bunk area. You can tell a lot about a truck just by the way the guy keeps the floor mats. And just the little extra things he takes care of, and he's got a lot of pride in this one. I don't normally love the painted dashes or something kind of changed out on these trucks, but this one's really well done. I like this. There's your total miles. Your oil pressure's up at idle like it should be. Super responsive. Jumps up there like it's supposed to. Guys, if you got questions on this one, never hesitate to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.